Beware the west wind. What bird was that?
It was a red-tailed hawk.
No, that's more of a... It sounds more like that. If you enjoy bird noses, make sure you like and subscribe for more videos.
Cut! Action.
Go!
Okay.
No. Try it.
I'm sorry.
Go again.
All right, action.
I can't do that one. What one was that?
Eagle.
Subscribe to our
We're gonna get there!
So they're getting there.
We're gonna get there, Blake! God damn it!
They're telling a story, damn it.
We're trying to get there! Jesus Christ!
All right,
We were about to get there! God damn it!
settle.
Just get to the eagle faster.
Okay.
Take a breath.
Okay.
Action.
That was pretty good. What bird was that?
It's a bald eagle. What?
No,
Uh-huh.
yeah.
Yeah.
Try again.
It's good.
You're so good at that.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah, thank you guys. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like and comment and subscribe so you can watch more. That's all for now.
Fuck out.